Hi, this is Kaiser once again from Active SEO Feed, and today I'll show you how to track add to cart event using Google Analytics 4. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, and if you already subscribed my channel, then you are welcome. Also, if you need any help regarding digital marketing or web development, you may hire me. My contact details is under the description of this video. Okay, let's start. So we will track add to cart event, and add to cart event is an event when a visitor click add to cart or add a item to the cart. This is the situation. So first of all, we have to create a trigger for this and click new. Anyway, if you miss the previous video, please watch the previous videos first. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand. The trigger name will be GA4 add to cart trigger. And the trigger will be fired when the event name will be add to cart. Okay. You have to copy it exactly what it is here. Okay, click paste it here and click save button. And the add to cart event asks for three parameters: currency, items, and values. And we have already created these three variable in the previous video, so we can directly jump into tags and create a new tag. So new tag, and the tag name will be GA4 add to cart tag. Tag configuration, the tag will be type of Google Analytics GA4 event. Measurement ID is the GA4 measurement ID variable. Event name is add to cart event. And now event parameter, it asks for three parameter, that is currency, items, items, and the last one is value, and the value is DLV, currency, DLV, items, DLV, value. Okay, and the trigger we have already created, add to cart trigger. Okay, everything looks good. Now click save button, and then you have to submit it. Just click here, edit, add to cart tag. And now click publish. Now it's time to check it. Simply back to workspace and click the preview button. Everything is reloading. And click continue. Okay. Then in this time for iPhone XR casing, and view item tag has been fired, but Add to cart tag has not been fired yet because it should be fired when visitor click add to cart button. So let's click add to cart button. Then look, add to cart tag has been fired and here is the variable GF for currency items. There are three items here. Array in the array. Okay, and GA4 e-commerce value is 169. 169. Okay. Okay. It looks good. Now, uh, now you can also check from the debugger of Google Analytics, and here you will find the okay. You will find the add to cart event has been fired here. It has been passed actually here add to cart. Okay, so in the next video we will see the view cart event. So bye for today. Thank you.